Greeting, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in this world. Let me say this first. From the river to the sea, Palestine, will be free. Let me go back to my topic. You see life through your unique lens. This is your mindset. The assumptions and expectations that you hold about your life, yourself, and situations around you. Research shows that mindsets play a significant role in life outcomes. I'll repeat it again. Mindsets play a significant role in life outcomes. Your life outcomes are determined by your mindset. Let's intercept some negative and defeated mindsets and replace them with some positive and determined mindsets. And top of the pile is, when life tests you, don't say, why me, and play victim. Why it's always me. No. Say, try me. Say, bring it on. There is always something good that comes from bad. Believe me, try it. I tried it, I lived it. There is always something good that comes from bad. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, say, how can I afford it? Instead of saying, I can't do it, say, how can I do it? Instead of saying, I failed, say, I learned a lesson. Instead of saying, I had a bad experience, a terrible experience, say, I had a character building experience. Nelson Mandela said, it seems always impossible until it's done. And Les Brown says, if it's hard, do it hard. Nobody said it would be easy. I am positioned where I am now because of my mindset, because of my resilience. People who know me, people who've seen what I have gone through, understand the type of mindset I have. It's a miracle that I am alive, let alone what I have achieved. Struggle, sabotage, sorcery, violence, war, bankruptcy, you name it. But it's down to the mindset. Let me let you to a secret. It's not a secret anymore, but if you can use it and work for you, and I hope it works for you, but the core of my mindset is do or die trying. Simple. That's how I operate. And if you can do that, watch what's going to happen. Watch how your life change. But what shapes my mindset is when people tell me you can't do it, or they block my way, or they give me the wrong information, or they tell me it's impossible. When they do that, watch. I proved people wrong all my life, and I keep doing it. I enjoy proving negative, jealous, envious people, haters. I proved them wrong all my life. They are where they are, and I am where I am because of this. So let's, I don't talk from the empty. I lived this. When they sabotaged me in university back home and I lost 2 years, yes, I finished my BA after 6 years rather than 4 years, but then I moved to London and I graduated with the master's degree. So you can keep that BA, you can have it. I have master's now, so don't block my way. I used to be a journalist. Some of you don't know that, but I used to be a journalist and I wrote endless articles and investigations, and they didn't want the newspaper that I used to work for back home, they didn't want to publish it. They only published it once when I criticized the government for importing beer rather than hospital equipments. And the reason they published it, because they want me to get killed because I criticized the government. Watch. The reaction is, go to the UK, be an international author. I wrote my book. I self-published my book. My book is international. So, see, you can't stop me. Even the title of my book is called You Can't Stop Me, I Have a Dream. They said London is hard, Europe is hard, big cities are hard to survive. Well, I have been here for 24 years. And I am positioned well. So yes, I had some struggles. Yes, I fell down. I nearly got wiped out, and I nearly became homeless. But I stood. Mindset. Don't tell me I can't do it. Do or die trying. Your strongest asset. Listen to me. Your strongest asset is your mindset. And if your mindset is built on determination, do or die, and positive attitude, you can have wherever you want. I'm not special. I just have a strong mindset and I don't give up. And if I can do it, so do you. Thank you for watching and listening, and see you on the other side.